Hey guys, here we are, camping and cooking again. We found a new recipe. It's gonna be in a foil packet tonight. It's gonna be a hot ham and cheese sandwich. But for this recipe, you're gonna need Hawaiian rolls. You're gonna need deli sliced ham, some butter. We chose provolone and Swiss cheese, onion powder, Dijon mustard, and some brown sugar. Let's get this recipe started. We're gonna start with melting the butter, adding the onion powder, Dijon mustard, and the brown sugar. All right, we have all of the ingredients mixed in, so let's put it over the campfire and melt it. Okay, it's all nice and melty. Let's put our sandwiches together. All right, we're gonna toast our little ham and cheese sandwiches in the foil packets. We're gonna put 2 per packet. So we'll take the Hawaiian rolls, we'll cut them in half, add the ham and the cheese, and then smother them in our butter sauce. And now smother them in the butter sauce. All right. This is new to me, y'all, so I'm gonna roll it up in my foil packet. Close the ends up good. And make 4 more. Okay, we've got our sandwiches made, smothered in the butter sauce. So we're gonna put them on the grill and we're gonna let them toast over the flame just a little bit. All right, let's turn them. You wanna keep turning your sandwiches so that they warm through and through and the bread toasts nice and even. Okay, here are our hot ham and cheese sandwiches. After about 25 minutes over the fire, the good melty cheese, it looks hot. I probably could have lowered it over the flames and got it done a little faster, but I was scared it was gonna burn. So let's give this a taste test. Here's our first bite. Look at all that cheese. Mmm. It's pretty good. It's a hot ham and cheese through and through. Another campfire cooking recipe that gets 2 thumbs up from Simple Life Big Adventures.